about a really interesting topic, and this is there are different trading styles of trading that you can try out. And I came up with this video idea because I see so many traders just know one trading style, and that is scalping. And sometimes I just get angry that people don't know the other trading styles that they can practice, and maybe the other trading styles would be much better for their personality and suitable for them. So let's start this video. I will tell the advantages and disadvantages of the four most common trading strategies, trading styles that you can use in your own trading, and you can improve your trading actually if you know different styles. So let's start. The first trading style is day trading. Maybe day trading amongst all traders is the most common known trading, and day trading actually sort of contains scalping as well, because what day trading means is that you open a position in one day and you close that position in the same day. So it is an intraday trading style, and actually if you are a beginner, I would recommend to you this trading style, but not scalping. So because it is not so healthy if you hold trades overnight and you can't sleep and you go crazy because of it. And I see so many traders just look at the charts like 24/7 and they don't sleep, they don't do anything. So if you can close your positions at the end of all day, so you can have a good sleep, and it will be beneficial for your trading overall. The second trading style is a really not for beginners, because it is position trading. It is rather an investment strategy than trading, because position trading means that you want to ride a trend, and trends often go for months, weeks, even a year. And position traders just take a trade and they hold it for weeks, months, and this strategy has another name. It is buy and hold strategy. So I wouldn't recommend it if you are a beginner, because it is quite hard for your emotions to just sit around and wait for 2 months with one trade. And I know many of you don't even think that this is actually possible for a human being, because we are wired to instant results, and we hunt something, we eat it, and it is, you make profit, you take it out of the market, and it is human psychology. But so I would recommend it for first, but it is quite a profitable strategy, because the most profitable traders and hedge funds use this strategy often. So the third strategy is really a more complex one. It is swing trading, and I'm a swing trader myself, and I really like this strategy, but it is for more advanced traders, not for beginners. So what it means: swing traders actually wait for big movements in the market. So for us, the really volatile moments and markets are the best, so we need good liquidity when we trade. This is actually can be really profitable. The disadvantage is if there is a ranging market. So if a market just has a range and it just goes up and down in that range, it is not good for us, because we need life, energy, and just movement, big swings that we can ride like waves. You know, small waves are not good for us. And oh, there is maybe a white tiger over there, but I will fight it if this shit happens. But I hope I don't have to. But you know, we are traders, we are strong, and we are brave, so we don't fear wild animals in the forest. But let's continue the video. Yeah, so the last strategy is scalping. And scalping is a really interesting one because I see like 100% of scalpers just fail and they lose all their money. And I didn't see one single scalper who actually in the long term made money. Okay, in the short term you will make some money and you will be happy, and your hormones and your human body will be just on fire, and you will be excited. But it is more like a casino, a gambling. But okay, there is nothing wrong with that. But if you want to make money long term, this market, you have to adjust yourself to the reality. So scalping is basically a style where you take many trades, like 100 a day, and you close them really just quickly. And it would be great, but there are spreads, commissions, and there are many things that will prevent you from actually make money. And if you have a great scalping strategy, I see this so many times, you don't know anything about money management, risk management. So you basically just close all your profit trades really quickly, and you made money. It's great, but when you have a losing trade, what are you doing, man? You know what you're doing. You just look at it, it just fly in the wind, and it blows your entire account because you can't close it. You let your losing trades run, and it is completely it is a disaster for your account and your personality, and you get depressed and angry, and you quit trading after 2 days. Basically, that's what I see. And so please have a risk management plan, so your risk reward ratio, so your stop loss and take profit, should be 1-to-1. Okay, so these were the trading styles that you can try out, and look it up on the internet and find some trading strategies for them. If you have any questions, just ask me, I will answer it in a video. And yeah, I wish you the best. Ciao.